હમિંગ લઈએ. Very good. Now sing for all. Back straight, eyes closed. Namaste, students.
Prayer is the surge of the heart. It is a simple look turned towards heaven. It is the cry of recognition and of love, embracing both trial and joy. Good morning, everyone. What a wonderful morning it is, and having you all here with us makes it even more special. I am Hem Parekh, and I am Yansh Kamani. We are your host of today's program, and we warmly welcome you all to this beautiful event. We are really honored to have our revered teachers, dear parents, and of course, our lovely students among us. We are very glad to have you all with us today, and I welcome you all on the behalf of the 2H class to enjoy the morning assembly. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Music and songs have been an integral part of human life and our society for thousands of years. They help us express love, devotion, and gratitude. They help us convey the truth in our hearts. Today, the girls of 2G class will sing a beautiful, well-known carol, Wish You. I request everyone, please put your hands together and give them a warm welcome.
એસી બંધ કરો ને. Enough of coughing now.
Thank you for such a soulful performance. Everyone, please give these cute girls a huge round of applause. Now my two best friends give information about Christmas symbols.
सुनो सुनीता मैम इसको आईपैड दे दो इसका पेपर किधर है उसका सिग्नल निकाल के आईपैड दे दो પણ આમાં બતાવી દે आद्या वेट
Star represents the bright star that shone the night Jesus was born. Thank you. represent the gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Christmas candles. Christmas candles represent the light that Jesus has brought to our world. Thank you. Holy berries. Holy berries represent the blood that Christ shed for us. Where is it? Christmas wears celebrate of crown of thorn that Jesus Christ where he was crucified. Christmas bells. Christmas bells represent the mankind to worship the Lord. Oh, what good information it was. Thank you, my friends. Everyone, please give them a huge round of applause. Think of the magic of the food, comparatively small, upon which your whole weight rests. It's a miracle, and the dance is a celebration of that miracle. I would now like to call on the stage our girls of 2H class who are going to perform with the song Jingle Bells. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
आगे हाँ चारों को एक ही लाइन में खड़ा कर दो
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells are not to ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was sitting by my side. The horse was mean and rank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifting bank, and we got upset. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Wow, I'm spellbound. What a brilliant performance. You all are too good. Everyone, please give these cute girls a huge round of applause. Dear audience, we are now nearing the end of the program. So, I request you all to put your hands together for the last performance of the event. Next, from 2H class will recite a poem on Christmas Eve. Christmas time. Pine trees that are high Give light at night, they shine so bright. It's Christmas time. Stop the fight, make everything right. Give love tonight. It's Christmas time. A greeting you light in a card that you find. Just always smile, for it's Christmas time. Thank you. That was beautiful. Thank you, Naksh. You all did great. Now I request everyone to rise and get ready for the national anthem.
Suddenly, Saudhan. We dead still, look straight ahead, and there's a part of the national anthem where we sing softly. Right? So this is the TGS way of singing the national anthem, a little different from the way everybody does it. So there's a soft part, and then you go back up again.
Please have your seats.